Hello, it's Alexander. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be taking you through a journey of making 7 shirts in 7 days for 7 days worth of wardrobe. In particular, 7 days of short sleeve summer shirts. Why, do you ask, am I making 7 shirts in 7 days? Because I hate everything I own. Let's start by talking about the patterns I've used. Well, the pattern I sort of bodged together from 3 different things. My go-to shirt pattern is McCalls M6044, view A here. I like the way this fits. It fits me really well. It is also a great shirt pattern if you're looking to start out because it gives you short, long, and cowboy. And who doesn't love a cowboy? I merged that, or parts of that shirt, with Kwik Sew K3883, which I did a video on last summer. Plus, using this pattern making book, I took some tips and fitting items from here, merged it with this, and merged it with this, to give me my own custom pattern. If you are gonna follow along or gonna make your own shirts, I find either one of these patterns to be the easiest to follow along, especially if you're a beginner sewer. This one is a little looser, this one is a little fitted. Now that we've got the pattern selected, my own pattern, it's time to look at the fabrics I have. Now that I've got all these fabrics, most of them from my stash and some from about 2 years ago, because if you're like me, you hoard fabric. I see you out there. Let's get started. Monday. On Monday, I was feeling a little boaty and went for a nautical themed fabric. Also, I had some nautical themed buttons conveniently in my stash. Tuesday, I was feeling a little sheepish. I didn't have sheepish fabric, but I did have llamas. And who doesn't love a llama? Wednesday, I went for some nostalgia. I like to buy fabric from Liberty of London when I'm in London every year. And since, because of Corona, I couldn't go this year, I found an alternative at my local fabric store. Thursday I was feeling a little rough and tumble, so I went with a bandana print. Next was Friday. Friday, I was feeling a little fun and flirty and went with this vertical straight pattern. Saturday, I was feeling full animal and went for leopard. Fun tip, leopard does not need to be pattern matched and it's super fun and no one hates an animal print. No one. Sunday, I was feeling very, let's cook a roast, let's do a little cleaning, so I went with the 50s housewife print. Housewife? Hausfrau? I went with the 50s print, non-denominational, gender neutral. So now that I've got all my shirts made, do you know what time it is? It's time for a fashion show! And there you have it. 7 shirts, 7 days, 7 summer outfits. So you too can make a full wardrobe with just one pattern and 7 different or as many different fabrics as you like. Don't be afraid of fabrics. My fabrics that I used included rayon, cotton, and a cotton stretch. Again, if you are just a beginner, I would suggest using plain cotton. That way there won't be so much shifting or fussing with it. Don't forget to look at me up on social media. You can find my social media handles listed below. If you like this video, don't forget to comment. Hit the thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you get notified when my next videos come out. I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a good day. Bye now.